Hello everyone and welcome to Bumpy. Today I am participating in an outdoor Christmas challenge hosted by Kim and Arlynn. I'll have their channels linked below with the playlist so you can see all the beautiful outdoor decors from all the other YouTube creators. So let me show you what I did with my porch. Okay guys, and here it is, my outdoor porch. Was really excited to participate in this challenge. Thanks so much, Arlynn and Kim, because I really never did decorate or did anything out here, just because this is my dad's planning session and he doesn't want it to be touched, but he is losing his eyesight and it's getting a little messy out here. So there's there's a lot of unmatched pots, and I want to take care of all that and make this look more cleaner. But let me show you what I did for the holidays. And the nice thing about this is I actually spend no money, guys, which was awesome. This sign I actually had for now several years, and this was a trash find. My intention with this sign is to actually redo it, repaint it, and kind of make it more farmhouse or more, rustic look. And I know I can totally change the look of that wooden sign. So over here when you enter, there's a little sidewalk area, and over here I just have these two planters of my dad, which look, they don't match, so I need to take care of this planter situation. And I have another little planter of his here. And then right behind there I have a big planter right over here with some garland, and then this Noel sign with the real poinsettia that my daughter just gave me that Thanksgiving Day. She brought me that poinsettia. So there's no electricity outlet out here, and I don't want to have windows open to run cords through the windows. So I got these actually last year at LTD after Christmas sale. I got these battery operated, so I'm going to do that to light them up. I'll have a little bit of lights out here for the holidays. And then right on this shelf right below the window I have another lidded sign that says joy. And then I just have, guys, a simple ugly Dollar Tree Christmas tree. I just got some of Dollar Tree's burlap, and I just kind of swirled it around the tree to fill in the gaps. And just made a bow and added some berries, and then I used the Dollar Tree ornament right there, as you can see, and then with the joy sign. So right over here on the wall I have this real cute wooden welcome heart sign that I've always had there. I just added a little bit of berries to give it a little Christmas feel. And then, guys, this was actually a trash find. It was this rocking chair that was completely red. I went ahead and chalk painted it white, and I just left the seat part in this rustic red. And I added a vintage TV tray right here, actually by the rocking chair. I added a basket that I already had. And then I added these pine cones that I had. These little picks that you get at the 99 last year. And then the two white little Christmas trees. They are from Dollar Tree last year. This sign is also from Dollar Tree last year. And then I have my old-fashioned jug made out of tin. And guys, you know that I have this decor there in the living room in the corner. I just brought it outside and added some of Dollar Tree's small little ornaments that I actually have had for years, because this picture I always decorate it this way in the house, or add it somewhere to my decor. And then right under the little TV tray. I have this little birdhouse, and I just added some picks to the top of it. I've actually didn't even remove the tag because I'm not sure where that's going to go. If it's going to stay here or go inside the house. And then here on the front door, I do have a little wreath with a wooden sign that says Noel. And then I have a bigger wreath right up here at my porch light. This is stuff that I just had for years. There will be a new wreath that I will be doing a DIY on Friday in another challenge with Jessica and Mrs. V. So that's going to change there, but I didn't want to reveal that until Friday. And then this area here will also change because I will be doing some more DIYs. So there you go, guys. Little view here of my little porch. I love it. Like I said, I never had anything out here to sit, to relax. But you know what? Tomorrow morning, I will be sitting here having my coffee in the morning because we live in California and we can do that. So I want to thank Kim and Arlynn for making me and inspiring me to get this little space together so I can enjoy it tomorrow morning. You know, I'll be thinking about you girls. Okay, guys, don't forget to click on the playlist link below so you can watch all the wonderful, talented YouTubers that will be participating in this collab. And also, don't forget to check out Arlynn's channel and Kim's channel, and I'll have their pictures linked at the end of the video. All you have to do is click and it'll take you directly to their channels. Thank you again, ladies, for hosting this collaboration and for putting me to work so I can do something with this porch. Thanks, guys, and don't forget to watch yesterday's new Dollar Tree items video that I just posted. Okay, guys, thanks, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.